The Kingdom of the Netherlands is a country located in Western Europe that is made up of four constituent countries: the Netherlands, Aruba, Curaçao, and Sint Maarten. Dutch cuisine is known for its hearty and simple dishes that are made with fresh ingredients. In this article, we'll explore the traditional dishes, ingredients, and influences that make up the cuisine of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Traditional dishes. Dutch cuisine is based on simple and hearty dishes that have been passed down through generations. One of the most famous Dutch dishes is stampot, which is a hearty dish made from mashed potatoes and vegetables. Stampot can be made with a variety of vegetables such as kale, sauerkraut, and carrots, and is typically served with a smoked sausage or bacon. Another popular Dutch dish is hutspot, which is similar to stampot but is made with a different mix of vegetables. Hutspot is made from mashed potatoes, carrots, and onions and is often served with meat or sausage. Oliebollen are another traditional Dutch dish, which are deep-fried donuts that are typically served during the holiday season. Another traditional Dutch dish is bitterballen, which are deep-fried meatballs that are typically served as a snack or appetizer. Bitterballen are made from a mixture of beef ragout and bread crumbs and are seasoned with herbs and spices. They are typically served with a side of mustard or mayonnaise. Influences on Dutch cuisine. Dutch cuisine has been influenced by various cultures throughout history. The Netherlands was a major colonial power in the 17th and 18th centuries, and Dutch cuisine was influenced by the foods of its colonies, particularly Indonesia. Indonesian cuisine has had a significant impact on Dutch cuisine, and dishes such as nasi goreng and satay are popular in the Netherlands. The Netherlands was also a major trading center in the Middle Ages, and spices from around the world were traded in Dutch ports. Spices such as nutmeg, cinnamon, and cloves are still used in Dutch cuisine today and are often used in sweet dishes such as speculaas, a spiced cookie, and Dutch apple pie. Ingredients in Dutch cuisine. Dutch cuisine is known for its use of fresh and simple ingredients. Some of the most common ingredients in Dutch cuisine include potatoes. Potatoes are a staple in Dutch cuisine and are used in many dishes such as stampot and hutspot. Vegetables. Vegetables such as carrots, onions, and kale are commonly used in Dutch cuisine. Meat. Meat is often used in Dutch cuisine, and pork is the most popular meat. Beef and chicken are also commonly used. Fish. The Netherlands is a coastal country, and fish is popular in many Dutch dishes. Herring, mackerel, and cod are some of the most common types of fish used in Dutch cuisine. Dairy. The Netherlands is known for its dairy products, and cheese is a popular ingredient in many Dutch dishes. Gouda and Edam are two of the most famous Dutch cheeses. Regional varieties. Dutch cuisine varies by region, and there are many regional specialties throughout the country.